Hi guys, I just want to take a minute to show you how to use the Library Manager in the Arduino IDE. First we'll open up the Arduino IDE. Then we'll go to Tools and Manage Libraries. Now we're in the Library Manager and we can search for libraries here. In this case I'm going to search for the IRremote library. I'm going to install the IRremote library. We now have examples for the IRremote library. We'll go ahead and open the IRreceive demo. For my setup, I have the receive pin as pin 7. And I'm using an Arduino Uno board. So go ahead and build the sketch and upload it. We'll open the serial monitor. Now when I press the remote, you can see codes coming back in the serial monitor for the buttons I press. Thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and share.